Boot Mod 3 Stage 2 M140i. In stock form, these cars should run around 335 brake horsepower. When my car was stock, it made 356 bhp with just an ITG filter from Williams Performance. Now I know the numbers are irrelevant because it's all about the drivability, but if BMW can state the numbers, why can't I? With that said and done, my question today is, has the M140 got enough power now? So yes guys, as you can see, we're down here at JM Imports. Firstly, a big shout out to Marc Williams, as usual. Williams Performance, he's sorted out the days. We've got a few serious cars down here to get dyno then. Like, as I said on the channel guys, my car is classed as the 450 brake horsepower build, simply because if you do the math, I ran 356 at Prestige Performance, and obviously if we do the math...
So my car, it made 356 brake horsepower, eh? So what you do, BM3, they quote 26%, eh? So you have 26% power increase, eh? So you got 356 divided by 50 and then half it by 26. If you carry them one, remainder 2 and divide it by 3, it gives you 449 brake horsepower. Do you understand? Now shut up your mouth.
But yeah, we're going to pop inside and see Matt's car, who's getting dynoed as well. He's running a pure 800 turbo, and we're going to see what numbers he makes. So guys, as you can see, Matt's car's crazy. So it's made 505, and guys, this is at the wheel, so this isn't even brake horsepower. So brake horsepower, I don't know the correction, but that is crazy. So that as well is just a pure 800 turbo, off the shelf, stage 2 BM3. So that for me, that is crazy. That is crazy. We're going to go out in it later as well, so I'll give you guys a first impression of how it actually feels as well. My ears popped. Alright, so here we have Chris Tech's lovely i30N. 275 is what's quoted from factory. We're going to see how much power it actually makes. And bearing in mind guys, this car is completely stock. The only thing probably he's done on it is just some stickers obviously, and you can see the man himself, Chris Tech. If you're looking for any sort of fabrication, make sure you hit him up. And obviously, who does he work with? The man himself, Williams Performance. But yeah, we're going to let the guy do his thing, get the rollers going, and see how much it makes. So as you can see, we made 276. I'm going to do all the calculations and put it on the screen if I haven't already guys, but so far so good. Alright, so we have the main man, Marc Williams, is Williams Performance. This is E46 M3 track car. Stock, they should be making about 340. We're going to see how much it makes. So as you can see, Marc's car has been dynoed. It's done two runs, very strong. There's not much in it at all, and to be honest with you, it's a 16-year-old car, E46 M3, and he's managed to make probably 5 extra than what it came from factory. So that's a very strong engine. But yeah, we're nearly wrapped up. We've got one more special car to go on the dyno, and then it's going to be my turn. Wow! Yeah, this car is the one. Oh man. Oh man. Guys, like I said in the video, obviously the car was down on power, but like I said, this car is a weapon, and obviously the driver, different gravy, different gravy. Those of you that think you're a driver, come up north, meet this man, and then tell me you're a driver. That's the best thing. Oh shit. Oh yeah. So guys, that's the first one, and like I said, I know brake horsepower and all of that, so like some people don't find it relevant, but 401 max power. And Matt, what were you just saying? Just the 472, just to confirm, Matt's done the correction factor. We made 472 brake horsepower off a stage 2 off-the-shelf boot mod 3 map. But yeah guys, we're going to go do 2 more runs and find out what else we can make. Shut up! Oh, but I made less torque. So 401, that's fine, isn't it? So guys, as you can see, we've done the second run. We've made 405, which is a bit more power, but obviously we're making less torque, which is probably going to happen, obviously heat soak, etc. But yeah, so far so good. And the final one, as you can see guys, the final one, 399. So like I said, heat soak has occurred, but overall I'm very happy that I made it into the 400 wheel horsepower section. Yo. So come on now, what you said? Let's see what. So mine made 470 brake, but at the wheels it was 406 at the wheels. So what do you think yours should make?
It should be around the same, really. I'm
should
hoping,
be,
mate.
yeah bro, have confidence. Have confidence.
I'll be 410 at least.
So more than, so you think you're gonna have more than me?
Just with the air, I'm hoping that. Okay. It's fully straight. It's
okay.
No air, and we're hoping.
We'll see.
It's
we'll
good
see.
To find out, though.
We'll see. Okay, so Callum's one has been done, and as you can see, 402, 401, 393. So I have made more power, but at the end of the day, something that me and him were both saying is the main thing is it's showing that it's a healthy car, and obviously we don't really care about numbers, but if we do care about numbers, my car's faster. So sorry Cal, I'm the one today. Williams Performance for the win. But yeah, Cal, talk to me brother, talk to me.
It's a bit letting down, but
so it's a bit, but it is what it is, isn't it? And obviously guys, all I'm saying is subscribe to T&E's channel and obviously JM, because there's way more to come. There's way, that's all we can say, innit? We can't tell them anything. There's like, trust me, this is only the beginning. Obviously it's just a stage 2 BM3 map, straight pipe, but yeah, definitely got more to come. And obviously
give them a little peek if you want.
I was gonna say, Carl, can I just do just a quick one, yeah? Just a quick one. That's
all.
So the original question, has the M140 got enough power now? I don't think so. I want to say yes, but something says no. And what really says no to me is the fact that this engine is so capable. I would feel like I'd be doing it injustice if I didn't actually take it at least to half of what it's capable of. So that means yes, there is going to be more content. What comes next? Is it power or is it handling? I'll let you decide. But yeah, I want to say a big thank you to Marc from Williams Performance for organising the day, and also for the lovely lads that I met up north, guys. In a nutshell, the up north lads, different class, different gravy, top bunch of fellas, and I can't wait to see you all again. But yeah guys, a bit emotional, but yeah, I hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.